What's going on, my workers? It's a great day to be alive. I'm bringing you something a little different. This is my sister. Yes, another fitness professional. See, the goal for Werk Dat was to always bring on more instructors so I can provide you with more workouts, different personalities. I'm trying to build the Netflix of fitness. All right, that's enough yakking from me. Now let's put in that work.
Hey everyone, it is Coach Reanetta here, and today we will be doing a 30-minute circuit training workout. So for today's workout, all you'll need is a pair of dumbbells. I have a 12-pound pair here. If you have something lighter or heavier, just make sure that it is available and ready to use. You'll also need some water, a towel, and a mat if you're working on a hard surface. So let's jump into this warm-up. We're going to start with arm circles on the right side first. So you're going to bring that arm up and behind you. Okay? Really opening up that shoulder and that chest. 2 more here. And left side. Arm up and behind. Get a good reach. All right, next one, reverse lunge with rotation. So starting with that right leg, we're gonna lunge back and we're gonna rotate, open those arms up to the sides and back up. Switch to the other side. Rotate those arms out. Now when you rotate, you want to rotate towards that front leg, okay? So lunge back, rotate towards that front leg, and stand. Get a nice rotation on that core here. All right, next one, we have some hip openers. So standing feet together, right leg, we're gonna take that knee and foot out to the side, bring it up into the center. Switching to the left side, bring that knee and foot out to the side and center. Really good to open up those hips here. One more each side. And last one, butt kickers. Here we go. Bring that heel to your butt here. All right. Now we're gonna go back through this sequence. One more round. The hair is a swinging. All right, let's get back into those arm circles. Starting with the right side, up and behind. We got 2 more. And other side, up and behind. Last 2. Back into reverse lunge with rotation, starting with that right leg. Reverse lunge back, rotate, other side. Remember, rotating towards the front leg. And really reach those arms out like you're trying to touch the walls. Okay? And we'll do one more each side. Last one here. Back to those hip openers, starting with the right leg. Knee goes out to the side and back to center. Really important to warm that body up, especially the hips. You know, it's like you're stepping over a fence or something. So really get that knee up. We'll do one more each side. And butt kickers, here we go. Bring that heel to your butt. Three, two, and rest. Okay, let's get started with this circuit. I know I'm warmed up. So, we'll have 3 circuits today. Each circuit is gonna have 3 exercises in it, and we'll do it for 3 rounds. Each exercise will only be 30 seconds of work, and we'll have a very short break in between each exercise, okay? So let me show you the first exercise. So I'm only gonna be using 1 dumbbell here. We're gonna do a squat to a front raise. So holding that dumbbell out in front of us, come into your squat position. We're gonna squat down, raise the dumbbell up, back down, and stand, okay? So we'll get started here in 5 seconds. And let's go. Squat down, raise up, back down, and stand. Make sure your knees stay out when you're squatting down, and bring that dumbbell just up to shoulder height. All right, and rest. All right, next one will be a walkout to push-up. So we're gonna stand, feet shoulder width apart, walk those hands out, come down for a push-up, and back in. Let's go. Walk those hands out, push up, walk back in to stand. Now if you can't do a push-up on your toes, drop down to those knees. And rest. All right, next one, grab that dumbbell. We're gonna do single leg drops. Dumbbell up above, drop one leg and the other. Let's go. Make sure that back is flat against the floor. Really control this movement. And breathe. Rest. Back to our squat with a front raise. We're moving very quickly here. Round number 2. Here we go. Squat, raise, and stand. Come on, get that butt down. Keep those abs in. Raise up those arms just to shoulder height. All right. We'll be going back to our walkout to push up. Again, drop to your knees if you need to. And here we go. Good. Walk those hands out. Push up. And back to stand. All right, next one, back to single leg drop with that dumbbell hold. Here we go. Control that movement. Keep the belly button in. Drop one leg at a time. All right, round number 3. Last one, squat to front raise. I'm sweating already, so I'm right here with y'all. Here we go. Make sure those knees stay out. Knees follow the toes. Never want those knees to come in. Make sure you are breathing. All right. Last one of walkout, 2 push-ups. Moving very quick here. And let's hit it. Walk those hands out. Give me a push up and back up. All right, last one. We have the leg drops. Keep that back flat. Control the movement. Make sure you are breathing. All right. Whew. We are done with circuit number 1. Short rest here. Go ahead, grab some water, wipe off that sweat. I'm definitely sweating here. Whew. We'll be going into circuit number 2. We have 3 more exercises, 30 seconds each, with just a short break in between. Ooh, the sweat. All right. So let me show you the first exercise. We have the alternating crab knee touch. So we're gonna be on our hands, hips are up, feet are on the ground. We're gonna touch one hand to the opposite knee here, back down, ooh, and switch. Really about that balance here. All right, let's go. Slow and controlled. Keep those hips up. Opposite hand to knee. Okay, if you lose your balance a little bit, it happens to the best of us. All right.
Did you enjoy that workout? Oh, I hope you did. Well, if you want longer workouts and access to the full-length video, check out tv.werkdat.com where you can get 24-hour access with no ads to different types of workouts. I'll see you on the channel.